Are you tired of the daily grind and looking for ways to make money while you sleep? What if I told you that you don't need a huge investment or years of experience to start earning passive income? In 2025, there are more opportunities than ever to create streams of income that work for you, even if you're a complete beginner. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to diversify your income, this video is for you. Stick around because I'm about to share the easiest passive income streams you can start today. Let's start with one of the most beginner-friendly options, affiliate marketing. All you need is a platform like a blog, YouTube channel, or even a social media account to get started. You promote products or services from companies, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't need to create your own product or handle customer service, which makes it an ideal choice for those new to online business. Platforms like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, and ClickBank make it super easy to find products to promote, offering a wide range of niches to suit your interests. With consistent effort, this can turn into a steady stream of income over time, allowing you to build a sustainable online income source. Another great option for beginners is creating and selling digital products. Think about it. Once you create something like an ebook, online course, or printable, you can sell it repeatedly without any additional work. For example, if you're good at graphic design, you can create templates for social media or resumes. If you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, you can create a course on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. The initial effort is required to create the product, but after that, it's all about marketing and letting the sales roll in. If you're not into creating products, consider investing in dividend stocks. This is a more traditional form of passive income, but it's still accessible for beginners. Companies like Coca-Cola, Apple, and Microsoft pay out a portion of their profits to shareholders regularly. You don't need to be a stock market expert to get started. Apps like Robinhood or Webull make it easy to buy and manage stocks. The key is to research stable companies with a history of paying dividends. Over time, your investments can grow and you'll earn regular income without lifting a finger. Real estate crowdfunding is another exciting option for beginners in 2025. Platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul allow you to invest in real estate projects with as little as $500. You don't need to buy or manage properties yourself. Instead, you pool your money with other investors to fund projects like apartment buildings or commercial spaces. As the properties generate income, you earn a share of the profits. It's a hands-off way to get into real estate without the headaches of being a landlord. For those who love creating content, YouTube ad revenue is a fantastic passive income stream. Once you upload a video, it can generate views and ad revenue for years to come. The key is to create evergreen content videos that stay relevant over time, like tutorials, reviews, or how-to guides. While it takes time to build an audience and monetize your channel, the long-term rewards can be significant. Plus, you can combine this with affiliate marketing or selling digital products to maximize your earnings. If you're tech-savvy, consider building a niche website. A niche website focuses on a specific topic, like travel, fitness, or personal finance. You can monetize it through ads, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products. Tools like WordPress and SEO plugins make it easy to set up and optimize your site. The goal is to attract organic traffic from search engines, so your site generates income passively. It's a longer-term strategy, but the payoff can be huge. Another underrated passive income stream is renting out assets you already own. Do you have a spare room, a car, or even equipment like a camera or power tools? Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama allow you to rent these out to others. You set the terms and earn money whenever someone uses your asset. It's a simple way to turn things you already own into income-generating tools without much effort. If you're interested in writing, consider self-publishing ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Once your book is live, it can generate royalties every time someone buys or reads it. You don't need to be a professional writer, just share your knowledge or tell a story that resonates with people. The more books you publish, the more potential you have to earn passive income. Lastly, don't overlook high-yield savings accounts or CDs. While the returns may not be as high as other options, they're incredibly low risk. Banks and online platforms offer accounts with higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. By parking your money in these accounts, you can earn interest over time without doing anything. It's a great way to grow your savings while exploring other income streams. So there you have it, the easiest passive income streams for beginners in 2025. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, digital products, dividend stocks, or any of the other options we discussed, the key is to start small and stay consistent. Remember, passive income doesn't mean no effort. It means putting in the work up front to create something that pays off in the long run. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips on building wealth and creating financial freedom. Drop a comment below and let me know which passive income stream you're most excited to try. And of course, share this video with anyone who's looking to make money on the side. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.